Hello! This video is a continuation from my last video where I left off at this point of basically asking why would I ever choose my replacement over my BFRB? The replacement, it takes longer, it's not as satisfying, whereas that BFRB, I just get that immediate rush, that flood of relief. So in asking myself this question, something that was really helpful for me to visualize was the lasting residual effects of, say, my BFRB or my replacement. So I will explore that. Again, similar to last video, as a continuation of our food example. So if we look at our instant noodles, maybe very easy to make, very quick, very fast, 5 minutes, but maybe they just don't last that long. After an hour, we find ourselves hungry again, we need to, cook another batch. Versus, say, we make a stir fry, it has heartier vegetables, it has, those slow release carbs, maybe a little bit more protein. And it just keeps us going for that much longer. So similar to our BFRB, that initial spike of a BFRB, it comes just so quickly, but I find it leaves almost as quickly. And what's worse, because there's this extra anger and shame coated with the BFRB, I'm upset with myself. If anything, I'm in a worse position than when I started. And what does that do? That re-triggers me. As it goes, it's just this vicious cycle. Versus maybe we have a nice mindfulness practice, a replacement. It might take a while to get us to that relief, but it hopefully is without that shame, that anger, and so the relief that comes with it is a little bit longer lasting. So that's what I wanted to share in this video. Again, kind of comparing this initial sharp BFRB spike that my body has come to crave and expect versus, visualizing these residual effects. It was really helpful for me to have this mental image as I think through, am I going to pick or do I have my replacement? And I hope it helps you as well.